Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo X1 Carbon. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo X1 Carbon is overheating and shutting down unexpectedly, you're not alone. This issue typically arises from old or dried out thermal paste, which can lead to poor heat dissipation. If left unaddressed, it can cause severe damage to your internal components, potentially leading to costly repairs. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, a new thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by ensuring your device is completely powered off and disconnected from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back cover. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can differ in size. Gently pry open the back cover with a flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the clips. Once inside, locate the heat sink, which is typically situated over the CPU and GPU. You might need to disconnect a few cables to access it properly. Carefully unscrew the heat sink, applying gentle pressure to avoid damaging any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the heat sink is removed, use the lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean off the old thermal paste from both the heatsink and the CPU surface. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU, ensuring it's spread evenly, but not excessively. Reattach the heatsink by aligning it carefully and securing it with screws. Reconnect any cables you had to detach earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Finally, replace the back cover, snapping it into place and securing it with the screws. To verify that everything is functioning correctly, power on your device and monitor the temperatures. If everything is working well, you're all set. To prevent overheating in the future, consider cleaning the vents regularly and ensuring your device is used on a hard, flat surface to promote airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.